Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to clear all the chat history at once on Chatgpt. So if you want to clear all the chat history at once on Chatgpt, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi and kind of data. So if you have already connected to it, that's good. And also make sure to download the Chatgpt app from App Store or Play Store. And after that, make sure that you are logged into your account. So if you are not logged in, then you won't be able to find the chats and archive chats and all of it from your ChatGPT account. So after that, click on the option of three straight lines at the very top left, and from here you can't simply delete the chat at once, but you just need to click on the option of your profile at the very bottom, and from here you just need to click on the option of data controls like this, and here you'll see the option of export data, delete OpenAI account, and under chat history you'll see the option of view archive chat history or clear chat history. So it says all of your chats will be cleared from history. This cannot be undone. Any created memory will be retained. So if you want to clear all of your chat history at once, click on the option of clear chat history, but if you don't want, click on the option of cancel. So that's it. That's how you can delete all of your chat history at once on ChatGPT. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.